How to replace the battery on your Dyson V7 or V8 vacuum cleaner. The first step is to pull the red tab at the top just to release the flap on the bin. Now make sure your bin is empty or you're over a bin before you do this. With the flap down, it gives us better access to these two screws here that hold the battery in place at the bottom. We need to undo those. Then at the back you've got another cross-headed screw, undo that, and then the battery just pulls free. Get your new battery and place it into the vacuum cleaner and do up the screws in reverse order. So one at the back and then the two at the bottom to hold it in place. Push the cyclone down, then close the flap and you are good to go. But if you've just bought a brand new battery, please put it on a full charge before you try using the vacuum cleaner. While you're waiting for your battery to charge, why not watch this next video which is showing you how to clean your filter like you've never cleaned it before. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face. I have lots of Dyson help videos and it means that next time you'll be able to find me a lot more easily.